Stock overview and key updates. CEP, Cantor Equity Partners, transitioning to X1. StockTwits buzz, trending around its merger with 21 Capital, driven by the Bitcoin-SPAC narrative. Memes across Reddit, r/wallstreetbets, r/MSTR, r/smallstreetbets, and Bitcoin. CEP is being marketed as a cleaner, purer BTC DAT than MSTR. CEP X1 merger is a gamble. Could be a decent hold. 21 Capital has purchased 4,812 BTC. Merger details: CEP will roll into the new 21 Capital entity, ticker X1. Holders will convert 1-to-1, but expect dilution. CEP will hold only approximately 2.7 to 3% of the merged entity, which plans to hold over 42,000 BTC. Community opinions are mixed. Some believe CEP is overvalued compared to its Bitcoin holdings, warning about post-float dilution. Others point to heavy backing, Tether, Bitfinex, and SoftBank, and long-term promises. X1 post-merger 21 Capital. Not yet trading under the new ticker. Conversion pending regulatory approval. No fresh StockTwits fee yet. Watch for the switch. Social sentiment and highlights. StockTwits. CEP is drawing chatter due to its link to a Bitcoin reserve strategy, but no direct ticker activity for X1 yet. Reddit. r/MSTR. Compare CEP X1 to MicroStrategy, suggesting CEP has a higher premium but simpler model. r/Bitcoin and r/StrikeBTC. Community notes the Bitcoin acquisition angle and backing, but warns on merger dilution. What to watch? Merger approval. Ticker switches and dilution effect will start once the deal closes. BTC per share. Post-merger metric guiding X1's valuation based on BTC holdings, approximately 42,000 BTC. Crypto market dynamics. Broader Bitcoin price swings and spot ETF developments may ripple through CEP X1 sentiment. Float unlock. Watch for potential volatility once lockup periods end post-merger. Summary. CEP is currently riding high, around $28 to $39 during the SPAC hype, but that includes a speculative premium ahead of its merger into X1. The Bitcoin Treasury angle, 42,000 BTC, with heavyweight backing gives it validity, yet dilution and float unlocking are looming risks. Social sentiment is bullish, fearful. Some see it as a clean, capital-rich BTC proxy. Others worry it's overvalued as the story fades. If you're considering a position, be clear on how much you trust the merger's value add versus the dilution risk, and your view on Bitcoin's next moves and how that scales into X1.
Okay, so the stock brought its decline from the highs of around what was that again? From the highs of around $648 or thereabouts as of the 1st of July, and attempted again to resume the uptrend, got rejected just not long ago. And this second leg of the decline, if you like, this will now be um, will you say, okay, it might be a part of a cycle, the 3 period moving average continued to serve as a primary supply line from the 16th of July up till Monday, the 21st. Just sort of late in the last few hours, has just been able to break through that 3 period moving average based on this 4 hour chart. So it's now facing the resistance from its 10 period moving average. Now, yeah, at some point, it did serve as a primary supply line as well. So, regardless of all of that, based on what we have on this 4 hour chart, it has upper projections of 34.23, 37.91. There's no guarantee it's going to those prices will print. Selling pressure is still in effect. You can see you have negative price pressure momentum one, negative price pressure momentum two. They are very seriously, severely negative. They are still severely negative. This is because we are now seeing a positive second derivative on the for the price pressure momentum of the 21 period moving average, indicating that the selling pressure has is losing its is decelerating, and it has fed through to the 21 period moving average data. So maybe some buying might be in effect. We have a gain of 3.45%. There's no guarantee it's going to continue that uptrend, but let's have a look at the 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour chart, we have an extrapolation here. It's saying that it should continue. That uptrend may continue and remain in place up till Friday, Friday the 25th. The extrapolation of the price pressure momentums here on the 3 hour chart for the same 10 and 21 period moving average is also chiming in and saying that momentum buying pressure would remain in place up till from today's trading session up till the pre-market session of tomorrow, and even yeah, will remain decently okay up till Friday's pre-market session. As a matter of fact, there's no guarantee that that will be the case. We have here 37.45 still reiterated here on the 3 hour chart. So all in all, it's looking the algos a bit bullish in the very short time. They're a bit bullish in the very short time. So, but you can't guarantee. You can't. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. So the merger, I believe, is expected to be completed by between the end of this month, July 2025, and maybe sometime in August. But the stock has lost its shine for some time. Yeah, for in the time being, has lost its shine. There are other stocks, other companies that are coming up and also coming up with the same strategies as well. They have those other companies, those other stocks have taken. People have the market has rotated away from CEP into all those other stocks. So, but even at that, it has been able to hold up. It has been able to hold up and didn't plunge below 26.32. I mean I think that's perfectly okay, given that it ran up a huge amount of gain. You can see that intraday high 41.75. At some point, I think we even have something higher than that here as well, 46 or thereabouts. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, I think that's it's expected. It wouldn't be out of place. If a new stock comes up with same crypto strategy, you will probably exit, rotate away from CEP and jump into those ones. We saw stocks like SBET. At some point it was at $5. If you had a position in CEP, there's a good chance you rotate away from CEP and jump into SBET. And it did other ones. Many other stocks have come up with such a strategy. So yeah, some rotation did occur with yeah, it did occur and took money away from CEP's market. So I'll keep on updating you. I know I just felt that we just needed to bring this update, to you. So see what you make of the stock, and definitely we'll keep updating you. Thank you very much for watching this video.